Ellen Burstyn, Political Animals. Sarah Paulson, American Horror Story, Asylum. Charlotte Rampling, Restless. Imelda Staunton, The Girl. Alfre Woodard, Steel Magnolias.
And the Emmy goes to Ellen Burstyn, Political Animals.
This is the second Emmy win and sixth nomination for Ellen Burstyn. Her prior Emmy win was as guest actress on Law & Order SVU.
I want to thank everybody who voted for me, and I'm just glad I was on screen long enough this time for you to vote for me. I want to thank my beautiful granddaughter, Emily Burstyn, for coming with me tonight. I want to thank USA for putting this smart show on the air. I want to thank the whole crew and cast, headed by Sigourney Weaver, and the producer, Larry Marks. But most of all, I have to thank the writer, Greg Berlanti, who had the wisdom to write a woman over 65 who still had a lot of juice.